Okay, so this video isn't very, like, it's not too exciting in the grand scheme of things. I mean, when am I really on time to be, like, trendy anyway? But, like, I finally have it! First of all, I love Monster High, and I love the FaBOOlous Pets line. Um, I mean, line. I mean, I loved the Claudine and Dracula that came out. And my favorite out of all of them was Cleo, and I've been waiting since FaBOOlous Pets came out for Cleo to come out in Canada, but she still hasn't came out in Canada. So, my friend Megan, shout out to you, went out of her way to go to a Target while she was she went to a K-pop concert in Seattle, so I asked her if she could please, oh please, bring me back a doll that I've been wanting. Obviously there were options, but the one I wanted the most was FaBOOlous Pets Cleo, and she was merciful enough to let me choose a face as well. So this is the one that I chose, and I think she's perfect. I think her eyes are a little bit too far apart, but her face is very symmetrical to me, so I'm very excited about this. Hello, and what the heck is up, my Atlanteans? If you're new here, hello, welcome to my Atlantis, where we talk about dolls, we play with dolls, we also talk about scary things now, and I collect scary things as well. So if you're really into dolls and horror, subscribe. I'm not a big Chucky. I mean, I love Chucky. I love the movies, but I'm not a big Chucky collector. So that's what you're expecting out of me. Sorry, guys. And today, obviously, we're going to be unboxing FaBOOlous Pets Cleo. I think she was a Target exclusive. That must have been the main reason why she hasn't come out here yet. Regardless, she's here in my hands, so I'm very excited about it. Monster High, Mattel, what is with the distribution situation? I'm very confused. Like, I don't even know when everything is supposed to be coming out. Like, I've been waiting for Core Refresh, and they're still not here. I mean, at least the time of this recording, which is May 2nd. Guys, I have a few videos I need to post before I post this one, so it might be a while before we get to this one. I might even have a video ready of me unboxing the Core Refresh dolls by the time that it comes out. Whatever. Guys, this is so exciting. This is the first time we have Cleo with his set in this generation. And, like, I'm pretty sure the entire reason why his set hasn't been in Gen 3 is completely understandable to me. His set in Gen 1 was given to Deuce, was given by Deuce through Medusa's hair, and this was like an anniversary gift or something like that. And so that's why his set, like, exists, right? It's just, like, crazy, because, like, now that she has his set, like, what does that mean? Like, is Cleo and Deuce gonna start dating again? I mean, obviously we love the couple, but Cleo and Frankie are, like, kind of amazing. So I wonder what the backstory is behind his set now. I mean, obviously she could literally just have a pet cobra. I feel like in Egypt there's, like, snakes and stuff. So I bet she found this one and just, like, started taking care of it. Whatever. But yeah, this is what the box looks like. Woohoo! Pardon the glare. I don't know why it's so extra bad today. But this is what Cleo looks like in the box. Very beautiful. The artwork doesn't look like Darko Dark. Like, maybe Darko did the like, drawing part and someone else did the coloring, but it doesn't look very Darko, so, I mean, it has the Darko face. So maybe it is. Whatever, regardless. The art is still really pretty, and it still does the doll justice, so I think that's really good. Monster High sign. We have Cleo with all of her pets. She comes with his set and yeah. I really love this doll, like the base doll. The outfit, I don't know, but like, I'm just very excited about this. On the back, here's a full illustration of Cleo, and it says FaBOOlous Pets at the mall. Cleo DeNile is shopping for the latest boutique styles and found the cutest matching necklaces for herself and pets Tut and Hisette, serving lurks and selfies. These FaBOOlous best friends are ready to turn the hallways into their creeptastic runway. True, that's something that I also really, really liked about the FaBOOlous Pets line. I really hope they continue. But they're all like kind of matching with their pets, and I think that's really cute. Like Claudine is wearing like, I literally have it here. I don't have the pets out, but Claudine is wearing like this little like jacket thing, and Crescent had like a little fuzzy thingy as well. I'm so sorry, I have not explained this great. And Draculaura has this ruffle on her skirt, and Count FaBOOlous also had the ruffle around his neck. And because this one comes with 2 pets, you can see, I mean, we can get into it, but like, she's matching with her pets as well. It's very exciting. There are also these little icons. Like, all the Monster High boxes have the little icons, and this one has new ones for the set. Very cute. Okay. And that's the box. Unfortunately, it's not very, like, exciting in any way. I mean, you could see that she's in a boutique, like the same boutique that's in the background there. Yeah, so. Whew, my asthma is getting ahead of me. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this dolly, and then we're gonna talk about her and everything she comes with, okay? So I just got Cleo out of the box. Obviously, I think she's just so FaBOOlous. FaBOOlous? I've been saying FaBOOlous this entire video, but I mean fabulous. But I think FaBOOlous is just so much more fun to say. And as well as all of her little friends, and we're gonna go ahead and talk about them. So the first pet that we were able to get out is Tut here. And Tut is in, like, he's colored very classically. This is how he looked originally, but now he's in this really cute Sphinx pose, and I think that's so, like, that's such like a touch of whimsy and like genius in a sense for this. I think that it's very genius to make the pet in a Sphinx pose, sorry. But you can also, oh god. But you can also see that he's wearing this like little papery fabric, like, what is this? It's like a little fabricy, papery type of thing. Just like the other ghouls. The doll does wear clothes that are inspired by their pet. So I think the purpose is to kind of match in that way. So I quite like it in that sense. Yeah, the Sphinx pose. I think that's so cool. Are they all oh my god, they're all wearing the same necklace. Okay, we'll get to that. But that was Tut. Here is Hisette, our favorite. Now she's in like a soft bendy plastic. Unfortunately, I was really hoping that we could like pose her. But no. And I think her article clothing that's gonna match Cleo is the little tiara. They have the same crown, and they're all wearing the same necklace because they're all family. But yeah, Hisette is just like one big piece of plastic. She is stuck in this position, but you can still pose her like sitting. She's flat on the bottom there, so you can still like have her sitting how you'd want. And she does also come with a heck ton of accessories. There's a lot to talk about. The first 2 things are these little shopping bags, because you know we're shopping at some boutiques. It's just like pyramid shaped. It's orange. I mean, there's a pyramid graphic on the bag. These are supposed to be shopping bags. But guys, these could have been paper, right? Like, if you could have just used like good quality cardboard paper, I think that would have been so much more effective. These are great. They're just like really hefty pieces of plastic. Personally, it should have just been paper, period. The other girls come with bags. So does Cleo. Cleo's bag is meant to signify Hisette, so you can tell it's like a snakeskin bag. I wonder how Hisette feels about that. We can see it's like molded and detailed in every which way. Even the handle is really pretty, like it's also like intentionally styled. And you know, that new painting technology is really showing through. Very nice. Next, Cleo has this really cute selfie stick. I'm pretty sure you can use like any phone on this. But yeah, like the skeleton shaped ring light. I wonder if I could take it apart. Ooh, you can. So the ring light you can take off, and then you could have the selfie stick by itself. But I'm not going to do that. We're going to put it back. Yes, very cute. And obviously you can see that you can actually put a phone there. Oh yeah, and that's the handle. Comes with a Tut inspired phone case, and I'm pretty sure it's like the same phone case as original Cleo, so it makes sense. Maybe this is to counter the Tut purse, so we have, or the Hisette purse, so we have a Tut phone, and then we have a photo of Cleo, a very pixelated photo of Cleo with her two pets there. So cute! And it does just kind of saddle right in. Yeah. And then it looks like she's taking a photo with her pets. And lastly, she does also come with a little coffee thing. It's a gold coffee cup, and there's a little diamond on it, and the coffee shop place is called Horace. Very nice. So that is Cleo and all of her accessories. Cleo herself is looking so cool. Okay, I know a lot of people don't like the tinsel, but I love the tinsel, and it goes throughout the entire hair. I mean, I like the tinsel for when needed. They didn't add tinsel for fun usually, so this time, like, the tinsel's there for purpose. Except it doesn't lay down that great. I don't know if I want to try to use boiling water. I feel like that might make it worse, or maybe we'll use some gel. But either way, that's my only concern with this one. But I think her face is really pretty. Her hair is styled with some bangs in the front, and then it's in a high pony at the top that's gonna hold the tiara, and it's actually in a ponytail in the back. I didn't know that. So she's wearing Hisette's crown, and then she's wearing Tut's little, oh my god, I don't know what they're called. So I just googled it, and it's called a Nemes or Nemis. I don't want to, I definitely butchered that. But that's what Tut has. It's like the little cloth headpiece that Tut is wearing. It's inspired into her earring, which is really pretty. Her shirt isn't particularly inspired by anyone, I don't think. I like to think that maybe Hisette had something to do with the idea of this dress, but I don't know for sure. I love that we have the little ring. We only had it for Draculara for the first wave, so I'm really happy that it came back for Cleo. Makes a lot of sense. Cleo needed a ring. Of course, well, I remember, she does have the classic Monster High core articulation. Down her long legs, she has these really Monster High shoes, like very much Monster High shoes. You can see that it's very detailed at the front, and then on the back we have a Sphinx cat that's sitting for the heel. And pretty in that aspect. So pretty. Yeah, and then this is what her makeup looks like. Oh right, and she has saran hair, very nice. But this is actually also the first time I've ever felt product in a Gen 3 Monster High, in Gen 3 Monster High's doll's hair. She has a teeny tiny bit of product in like one side. I don't know what that's about, but yeah, that's that for her. So yeah, unboxing her, I'm very excited about her, and I think that she's like gonna be one of my favorite Cleos to take around. I think that's what I love so much about these FaBOOlous Pets lines, is that it's like I feel like I could take them to the mall because they're kind of in like shopping outfits already, so I think that's really fun. Also, I mean, you guys could see it, but Hisette you can wear around her waist like Britney Spears. Like, that's so, like, what? Yeah, why didn't they do that at the beginning? I just really want to know what Hisette's purpose is now that we know that like Hisette came from Medusa's head. I wonder if maybe this was a past, like, anniversary gift from Deuce. yeah, I just wonder. Oh, right, and do you guys like this outfit? This billowy shirt and then these, like, I don't even know what to call these shorts. They really, really remind me of, like, camper shorts, if you know what I'm talking about. So I don't know if, like, people might think that's cute. I mean, I like it. I don't really have an issue with how it looks like altogether, but by itself, I might have to spruce it up. That is this Cleo. I think, like, I would give her, like, a good 9 out of 10. Just because, like, I think she's a very substantial Monster High doll. Like, she has the monsterish themes in her outfit, in her clothing, and in her accessories. And of course, her pets are super cute. Look at how they're all wearing the same necklace. Like, the idea of, like, having a line of the characters, of the main characters with their pets, and they have matching accessories. That's so funny. That's so cute. And that's, like, the kind of, not humor. Maybe humor? That's the kind of humor that we miss from original Monster High, is, like, kind of, first of all, the nods to the original movie, which is one of the detriments for me for this particular, for all of Gen 3 dolls. I wish that they had more, like, there are more callbacks to the original Monsters, like, parents' movies. Like, if they had done, like, maybe for Cleo, we could have, like, that little box. Oh my god, I don't even know what I'm talking about. Like the little box that, what's-his-face opens, and then that's when the curse comes out. Like, if that could have been, like, an accessory or something. I don't know. I thought maybe that'd be cute. Or, like, if Draculara came with, like a purse in the shape of candelabra or something. Oh, you know what I'm talking about? Like, just those tiny little nods to the original movies to kind of put them back together. But also, I know that Gen 3 doesn't have a connection with Universal. Oh, maybe that's why. But still, that was my main excitement with Monster High, Gen 1, is because, like, I loved Frankenstein. So, like, the little things were there. Most of the time. Not all the time. Not saying that, but regardless, okay? She's a really cute doll, and her little accessories are really fun. I need to wash the hair out. That's what it looks like right out of the box. It's very nice, but yeah. I feel like I blabber a lot, but I feel like that's, like, the fun part of me. That's my personality shining through. That's pretty much everything for this video. I feel like I kind of blacked out. But, like, it was, like, really fun either way, and I'm really excited to, like, pose them all together. They look so cute together. I will be posting photos, so hit up my Instagram and hit up my TikTok as well with the same name, TikTok.mov, I think it is for that. And I feel like I might do, like, doll news and horror news on there, and then do my unboxings and, like, talk stuff here. I don't know. There are many thoughts and plans in my head, and I really want to take it all out, but we'll see. Okay guys, so that is everything for this video. Thank y'all for watching up until this point. Once again, if you like my content and if you like dolls and scary things, make sure to subscribe and follow all the accounts that are in my description, and let me know what other dolls you want to see, what else you want me to talk about. We're a community here. We're allowed to express how we feel. And I'll see you on the flip side. Bye-bye.